Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials on your Vivo V27. Enable the Google app, grant microphone permissions, and allow notifications so Assistant can respond. Next, turn on Hey Google detection in Assistant settings. This lets you wake it hands-free. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that holds your contacts and calendar. This ties actions to your data. Once done, practice a quick command like, "Hey Google, what's my next event?" to verify voice activation and account linkage. Now you configure the middle layer features that make Assistant useful. Enable voice match so it recognizes you, and allow personal results for mail and calendar items, only if you want them on the lock screen. Then create routines. Press plus to build a morning routine that stops the alarm, reads events, and starts chosen music. Also link smart home services and home controls. Once linked, you can say, "Hey Google, turn off lights," and it will act instantly after authentication. Finish by testing a range of commands. Navigation to work, send a text, set a reminder, and control a smart plug. This confirms end-to-end behavior. If something breaks, make sure the Google app is updated. Clear its cache and reboot the phone to fix transient issues. If the mic is unresponsive, run the input diagnostics in settings, confirm microphone permission, and remove any case blocking the mic. If problems persist, retrain voice match and repeat the test commands to verify fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.